Hello, everyone. Through our study, we have learned that whether the tractor battery is sufficiently charged is the key to the successful starting of the tractor. When the tractor's generator fails and the battery is not timely and effectively replenished, it will result in insufficient battery power, causing the vehicle to be unable to start and operate normally. How should we deal with this situation? Today, let's learn together about the maintenance of the generator. Tools needed for generator maintenance include flat and Phillips screwdrivers, puller, ratchet wrench, sockets, rubber mallet, marker pen, and digital multimeter. Disassembly steps are as follows. 1. Clean and inspect the generator surface for damage. 2. Mark the assembly on the generator casing. 3. Remove the generator dust cover. 4. Unscrew the fixing bolts of the voltage regulator and brush assembly, then remove them. Five. Unscrew the fixing bolts of the rectifier. 6. Before removing the rectifier, solder the 3 connection points between the rectifier and stator coils. We have already desoldered them. 7. Remove the rectifier. 8. Unscrew the 4 fixing bolts of the rear cover diagonally. 9. Use a puller to remove the rear cover. Remove the stator assembly. Steps to test the brushes. 1. Inspect the wear of the brushes. 2. The spring force of the brushes should press them tightly against the slip rings. 3. The contact area between the brushes and slip rings should not be less than 75% of the brush end area. Steps to test the rectifier. Next, let's test the rectifier, which has positive and negative rectifier plates. The rectifier plate connected directly to the generator's positive output terminal is the positive rectifier plate, and the other is the negative rectifier plate. Two, start by using a digital multimeter in diode mode to test the 3 positive diodes on the positive rectifier plate. The red probe touches the diode's terminal, and the black probe touches the positive rectifier plate. Should show continuity in one direction and not in the other. 3. Continue by testing the 3 negative diodes using the multimeter. The red probe should contact the negative rectifier plate, and the black probe should contact the negative diode terminals. It should conduct in the forward direction and not conduct in the reverse direction. 4. Check the 3 excitation diodes for continuity in one direction and not in the other. Steps to test the stator. 1. Visually inspect the stator assembly for an undamaged stator core and ensure that the stator coils have no paint loss or breakages. 2. Use the multimeter in resistance mode to check the resistance of the 3-phase windings, with a normal value around 0.5 ohm. Check for short circuits between the windings and the core, with a normal resistance value of infinity. Steps to test the rotor. 1. Check for any bending in the rotor shaft, ensuring smooth rotation without unusual noises. 2. Inspect the slip ring surface for smoothness, absence of burning, or excessive wear. 3. Verify the flexibility of the bearing rotation without any sticking. 4. Use the multimeter in resistance mode to check the rotor coil resistance, which should be between 3 to 5 ohms. Infinite resistance indicates an open circuit, while a value below the specified range suggests a short circuit within the rotor coil. 5. Measure the resistance between the rotor coil and the core. Where infinite resistance is normal, a significantly low value indicates a short circuit. Installation steps. 1. Once testing is complete, reinstall the generator, ensuring alignment with the assembly marks. 2. When installing the rear cover, place a suitable socket at the center of the cover and tap it into place with a rubber mallet. Three, diagonally tighten the 4 fixing bolts of the rear cover. Four, before installation, resolder the 3 contact points between the rectifier and stator coils. Five, after installing the generator, ensure smooth and flexible rotor rotation without significant play or strange noises. Six, clean up. During generator maintenance, adhere strictly to the testing procedures. When reassembling after maintenance, ensure correct positioning and alignment with assembly marks. If a generator fails to generate electricity, how should you troubleshoot it? Okay, that concludes our lesson for today. Thank you all.